have to do you don't have to choose the testing mode because it can recognize by itself. So you just put samples here.
So this is just for color reader, no?
Yeah. Put the sample here and put the scale means the roaster degree button. Okay, you can get the numbers. This means the average roaster numbers.
Okay.
Actual numbers. But furthermore, you can put this button, then you can see the beans uniformity of this sample.
Okay.
Then this function is very useful for the roaster because they can use this function to check their every time the roasting, the quality and the flavor will be consistent. Then same to the ground, you just put a quick more, and you also can see the sample inside the uniformity. Yeah.
That's for grinding.
Yeah.
Grinding uniformity.
Yes. So the other special feature is ground particle size. You just put a sample like this and put on it. And this checking box, the most important process you have to make sure that the coffee ground has to be separate, very balanced. And because the CM200 will embedded the camera sensor inside, so you can check the particle size. But now it's doing analyzing, so you have to wait 5 to 16 seconds. Yes. And people will use this function to do the calibration standard for their grounder. Yeah.
Instead of using the sifter.
Yes.
Okay. Here you can see that the sample has 34 in the range.
Yes, and I can teach you another function is if you want to make sure that the accuracy is more great, you can do maybe 3 or 5 times measurement like this. You just put this, it will show you the average function test start. So he will calculate and give you the final average. Okay, then I do the second time.
500. No, it's an original price. I can offer you better. You want? You want one?
Okay, it will show you the CT2. That means the second time. And I can put one again. It will show you the average. So the average. So if you do this for the third or fourth or 5 times, and put the pop button again, it will calculate the average numbers for you. Yeah. This is the secret. Yeah.
Nice, Evan.
I can
Thank
offer
you.
you.
So this is the CM200.
Yeah.